Hello, today I'm in Volvo V70. In this video I'll show you how to enter voice control tutorial. In the beginning, let's take a look at the radio panel and go to my car. Now enter my V70, go to settings, enter voice control settings and go to tutorial.
Welcome to the voice control tutorial. For the next few minutes you'll hear how you can use your voice to control many of the systems in your car. This tutorial is split into 3 lessons: basic features, advanced features and voice training. You can always move between lessons by pressing the next or previous button. To cancel this tutorial at any time, Lesson 1: Basic Features. You can use your voice control system to control the following features in your car: radio, media, phone and navigation, if that feature is available. To give a command, briefly press the voice button and speak naturally after the tone. The voice button is located on the steering wheel and has a symbol of a talking face on it. If the system asks you a question, wait for the end of the listening tone before speaking. To help you, the main voice commands are shown on the display during a dialogue. Alternatively, to get assistance during a conversation, just Lesson 2: Advanced Features. Once you're familiar with using the system, there are several features that will speed up your interactions. Briefly pressing the voice button while the system is talking will allow you to interrupt the dialogue and say the next command after the tone. For a more effective dialogue, you can say combinations of voice commands, for example, search for artist, a list of
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.